Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Monkey app. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Monkey app on your mobile device. You can select whether to sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook. Go ahead and choose an account. Now go ahead and select your birthday and select your gender. You cannot change your gender once you're done choosing it. Once you are done setting up your profile, tap on Next. Tap on Allow at the bottom of your screen. Now go ahead and allow Monkey app to take your pictures or record your videos and access your location and also record your audio. Now tap on Bet at the bottom of your screen. And that's it, you have now successfully created an account on Monkey app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.